Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. This is our day in Missouri, and today we're going to explore Missouri. And Abhi, right now we are going to Kempty Falls. Abhi, there's a lot of traffic here, as you can see. So we have to like walk a little bit to like reach to the fall.
We didn't dare to take the zip line actually.
We could have taken the zip line, but then
Because हम सबके फिर बहुत फटी है। तो हमने बोला कि we'll skip the zip line and
we
take
walk.
a little stroll to the Kempty.
So now we are walking. I don't know how much walk we have to do because our feet
They
are
said
already
200
sore
meters,
from
but
yesterday.
Pahad ka 200 meters is not 200 meters.
And please, oh my god, the car wala was just about to hit me. But whatever.
I think we'll have to walk and we'll have to come by. Why is it getting colder as we're heading towards जैसा हवा है?
Exactly.
Very cold suddenly.
Peak dhoop, but still it's like chilly cold.
Exactly.
So we are starting our day with going to Kempty Fall first, and let's see
How will the car
what
pass from
follows.
here? I just don't understand.
And there's so many vehicles waiting to get past. I don't know how they will be able to go. Let's see. Let's reach there. At the moment, we are on our way to Kempty Falls, and this is our ride for reaching there. And let's go inside. Just have to walk a little bit through the stairways, and then you reach this location. This is the spot. Then you take your gondola. It's for 250 per person for the entire ride.
And in everything. So all of us first times, no? This no, not
No, I've sat in this gondola for like 10 times. What? Every city I go, I sit in this.
I think it's my second time. First,
I am the only one.
Your first time.
Yeah,
It's
not
not
first timer.
It's not scary at all.
first time I बैठी थी Gangtok में. That was way back.
First time I sat in Udaipur. Latest was in
Malaysia. Yes, I remember.
First time I was scared.
This is our way down. Reached Kempty Falls, and this is the waterfall that we were waiting for. And this is actually, to my surprise, very disappointing. You can also do these activities here if you want to. Like, there's a swing, flying fox adventure. There's a swing. I think there's also a zip line, which somehow looks like this. And yeah, this is just the waterfall.
They have made it like they have put rods like swimming pool, and we can go take a bath also.
Yeah, you can take a, and the water is so dirty. How is somebody even taking a bath?
And I'm pretty sure the water must be chilly as fuck. Yeah.
It would be very cold.
It is very cold. The wind is so cold. I can't even imagine the temperature of the water.
Like we have given 250
What?
to just reach from like a very, very nearer location only from this. Don't take this gondola ride first of all. And if you want, you can skip this too. Let's go to our next destination.
He's a good boy.
Right now, we were about to go to George Everest, and this is the trek that we were supposed to do, and everybody has informed us that it's just 20 minutes uphill, but it's almost an hour, and it's so not worth it because they charge you so much going there, and it's just too cold out there, and we cannot like do anything once we go there because it's just a sunset point. And it's so not worth it, so we have decided we are going back right now, and then we'll probably go to Dalai Hills because that's the only place we're interested in visiting right now.
There's this place called Mini Pahalgam right over here at the foot of George Everest.
Exactly, this is their mini Pahalgam. I don't know,
We'll show you a clearer
it's
view
just a
later.
basic, I mean it kind of looks like that only.
Yeah.
It's like very peaceful and everything, but we just want to take a walk through there and we just want to go back and
Dalai
probably
Hills.
eat something because we are also hungry.
Yeah, we are very
for
hungry.
afternoon as well. So see you at the Dalai Hills. This is the mini Pahalgam that we were talking about. Apparently you cannot enter inside because it's a private property. People who do their pre-wedding shoots are coming here for their shoots and everything.
So you have to pre-book for this.
So you have to pre-book if you want to visit this place, but there's nothing to actually like go and see. But कुछ लोग पिकनिक भी कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, but I'm not interested. So we here now we're gonna order some food. वापस आ चुके हैं गाइस. ये हमारा खाना आ चुका है.
3 चाय दे दिया था उन्होंने गलती से.
और ये अब हम
3 चाय.
we'll have some food and then we'll and she's having vanilla coke. It tastes so bad. How are you drinking it?
Hi brownie.
पैन ऐसे खेलता ही है.
So guys, we are finally here at Dalai Hills and right now we are here at the Buddhist temple, and supposedly we thought we won't be able to reach here because there was construction going on the road and everything, but finally we have reached here and this place is so beautiful. The view from here of the clouds and everything is just so breathtaking. We have seen the Buddhist temple right now. The vibe here is just amazing, and the view from here is literally breathtaking. There's a lot of fog and everything, but you can still see. Wow.
We can see
amazing.
some part of the Himalayan from here as well.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of fog, that's why we can't see. But you can see the reflection.
Yes.
If the camera justifies it.
The camera is not justifying, but with naked human eye you can see the Himalayan ranges as well, and I think the sunset view from here is also going to be really beautiful.
We can wait here for some time and we can shoot also.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Now we are here at the top of the Dalai Hills and it's so beautiful. It is so pretty, and you are witnessing yet another beautiful sunset from here. It is so pretty, and you can see all of Mussoorie from here as well. I mean, look at the view. Wow. I think sunset hour is the best hour to be here actually. Wow. So we are here at our last destination. This is Cafe Anahata, and we are having this really nice banana and Nutella cake over here. And this cafe has the most amazing view outside, and it's also a really pretty cafe. If you come to Dalai Hills, I think you should visit this cafe once. And here we are. We're gonna leave in a few hours for our home, and we love Mussoorie. We like going honestly. Mussoorie has it is actually really pretty. And that's it for the vlog. See you again guys. Bye.